The wealthiest people on Earth don't work harder for money. They design systems so money works for them. In the next minute, we'll explore how the top 1% think about money. Not shortcuts, not hype, but the quiet principles they use to preserve wealth, reduce risk, and stay ahead over decades, and how parts of that mindset can apply to you. Let's start with how the 1% see money. For most people, money is for spending. For the wealthy, money is a tool. They don't ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "What does this cost me in the long run?" Every dollar is evaluated based on opportunity, what else it could become. Here's where it gets interesting. The 1% don't rely on income alone. Wages are temporary. Assets are permanent. Stocks, businesses, real estate, and ownership stakes generate cash flow even when they're not actively working. This is why high earners can still be financially fragile, while modest earners with assets quietly compound wealth. Income feeds lifestyle. Assets build freedom. But there's a twist. The wealthy obsess over risk before reward. They diversify. They insure. They avoid putting their entire future on a single outcome. This is why large fortunes grow slowly, steadily, and often invisibly, like glaciers, not explosions. The goal isn't getting rich fast, it's not getting poor, ever. The discipline most people overlook. The 1% automate good decisions. Investments happen by default. Savings move before spending. Long-term plans are set when emotions are calm, not when markets are loud. This removes impulse from the equation. Wealth isn't built through motivation. It's built through structure. Managing money like the 1% isn't about luxury or status. It's about patience, ownership, and thinking in decades instead of months. The real advantage isn't access to secrets. It's the ability to delay gratification, protect downside risk, and let time do the heavy lifting. In the end, wealth is less about how much you make and more about how deliberately you design your financial life. If this helped shift how you think about money, consider subscribing for more calm, thoughtful stories about finance, systems, and long-term thinking. This is Cold Insight. Thanks for listening.